Good morning, students. We'll start our maths class. So, all of you take out page number 124, subtraction. Lesson number 5, subtraction. Write today's day and date. We'll start today's class with subtraction. Lesson number 5, write today's day and date. Subtraction is taking away a set of objects from a group. So, subtraction is what? A object. You will be having something. For example, now you are having 5 biscuits. You think you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many biscuits do you have here? 5. You can see here how many biscuits you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what object. Now from this I am giving 2 to my friend. 2 biscuits from 5. I am giving 2 biscuits to my friend. So how much is remaining with me? 3. Here 1, 2, 3. So this is what we'll call as what? Here 5. I am having 5 biscuits. In that I am giving 2 biscuits to my friend. From 5, if I minus 2, how much is remaining? 3 is remaining. So this 3, it is called as what? Difference. We'll call as what? Difference. Understood? After subtracting, the answer will get, that answer it is called as what? Difference. Understood? Subtraction, what is the sign we are using? We are using minus sign. We are using which sign? Minus. For addition, you have already learned. Yes or no? For addition, we'll use plus. We'll use what? Plus. For subtraction, we are using minus. We are using what? Minus. So here the sentence, what it says, subtraction is taking away a set of objects from a group. So totally I were having 5 biscuits. In that, in a group, it is what? These 5 are what? In a group. So in this group, I am taking away 2 biscuits. So the remaining biscuits I am writing here. So the remaining answer, the answer after subtracting you will got, that is called as what? Difference. Understood all of you? What do you mean that sentence? Here, subtraction is taking away a set of objects from a group. From the group, we are few taking out and we are finding the difference. Understood all of you? The numbers of items left in the group after subtraction is called difference. So after minusing, we'll get the answer. That answer it is called as what? Difference. Another one example I'll give. So here you see how many chalks are there? Count here. 1, 2, 3. So 3 chalks are there. So from here, from 3 chalks, here, from 3 chalks, I will remove 1. I will give to my brother or sister. I'll give 1 to my, from the group, I will remove 1. So how much is remaining with me? 1, 2. 2 is remaining here. Yes or no? So this is what? Difference. We'll call as what? Difference. Understood? First in a group, I were having chalk. In that, I gave 1 to my brother. So remaining, how much it is there? 2 is remaining. So the 2 answer will call as what? Difference. In addition, what we were calling? We were calling sum. After adding the answer, whatever we got, we were writing as sum. Here in subtraction, we are using difference. Understood all of you? Next one, example. They have given one example. Let us see. Here, read the example there. There are 932 students in a school. So how many students are there? There are how much? 932 students are there. Out of which 413 are girls. In that, how many are girls? 413 are girls. So find the number of boys. Here what you have to understand, total number of students are how much? 932. Total number of students are how much? 932. In that, girls are how much? 413. You have to find the boys. To find that one, what you are going to do? You have to minus this one. You have to minus. So from which side you are going to start? How we did addition, the same way we are doing the subtraction also. Here we are going to start from ones place. Here they have given the explanation of subtraction. How to do subtraction they have given here. I will show you how to do. Understood? After the class you can read this one. See here you have to start from the ones place. So in the ones place, what is the number they have given? 2 minus 3. From 2, can I give 3 chocolates to you? No. So here they have smaller number. Here we have bigger number. From smaller number, can we minus bigger number? No. So what we have to do? We have to go to the tens place. In tens place, what is the number they have given? 3. They have given what? 3. From 3, I will take out 1. I will take out 1. So how much is remaining here? 2 is remaining. These 2 I will write here. This 1 I will carry to the ones place. Understood all of you? I will repeat again here. Here they have given the total students. Total students are 932. The girls are 430. So you have to find the answer. After subtracting, you will get the answer. Find the number of boys they have told. So how to do this one? You have to start from the ones place. You have to start from which place? Ones place. So in the ones place, what is the number they have given? 2 minus 3. From 2, can I minus 3? No. So what I will do? I will go to the tens place. I will go to which place? Tens place. In the tens place, what is the number they have given? They have given 3. From 3, I will minus 1. From 3, I am going to minus 1. So how much is remaining with me? 2 is remaining. These 2, I will write, I will cancel this one and I will write this 2 here. Understood all of you? This one, what I will do? I will carry to the ones place. I will carry to the ones place. Now how much it is there? 12. How much? 12. From 12, you have to minus 3. You have to minus 3. How you will do this one? 12 fingers do you have? No, we have only 10 fingers. So what we are going to do? The number which is here, 3 it is there now. Keep 3 and start counting backwards. You have to start counting backwards. Here, 12, 11, 10. The next number is 9. So you have to write the number 9. Understood how to do this one? See here, they have given 12 here. From 12 fingers do you have? No, we have only 10 fingers. So what we are going to do, the easy method, what we are doing, this 3 is there now, keep the 3 finger in your hand. Understood all of you? Start counting backwards. You have to count backwards. How to count backwards? 12, 11, 10. The next number is what? 9. Write down 9. Understood all of you how to do? This 12, you have to count. You have to keep the fingers this one. They have given 3. If they will give 4, so how you will count? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 you are going to write here. But here they have given 3. So how you are writing? 12 minus 3 is how much? 9. Understood? 12 minus 3 is how much? 9. Here next, which is the number you will take now? Which number you are going to take? We have cancelled this one and we have written 2 here. You have to take this number, not this number. Understood? From 2, if you minus 1, how much you will get? 1 is the answer. Write down 1 here. Understood all of you? Next, in the hundreds place, you have what is the number? 9. So write down 9. 9 numbers, 9 fingers you can show. Yes or no? 10 fingers you have, close 1. It will become how much? 9. Count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9, you have to minus 4. How you are going to minus? 1, 2, 3, 4. The remaining how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is how much? 519. When you get the bigger number, next after 10 if you get, you don't have 10, only you have 10 fingers. 11, 12 you can't do. Then what you have to do? You have to do backwards. Understood? When they give the simple numbers, you can easily do. Yes or no? From 9 you can minus 4. How much you will get? 5. So write down answer 5. This you can do easily, but this one you can't do. So what we are going to do? 3 fingers we'll keep. We'll start counting backward. 12, 11, 10. Next number is what? 9. We are writing the 9. Understood all of you how I have done this one? So here there are 932 students in a school, out of which 413 are girls. Find the number of boys. We have find that what? How many are boys? 519 are boys. So this is called as what? Difference. We'll call as what? What we'll call? The answer after subtracting will got that it is called as what? Difference. Understood? That only explanation they have given here. After the class, you can read that one. Understood? All understood now this one, how to do? The next one you see, some special points to remember they have given. You have to follow some rules when you are doing subtraction. How we did in the addition, the same way we are going to do in the few points we are following in subtraction. The first one, let us see. What is the first one? The number we get after subtraction is called the difference. After subtracting, the answer will get that it is called as what? Subtraction. So here, you know, the first point what they have given, the number we get after subtraction is called the difference. Now I am giving one number, 5 minus 1. From 5, if I minus 1, how much you are going to get? 4. So this 4, it is called as what? Difference. It is called as what? Difference. Understood all of you? The first point what it is says, the number we get after subtraction is called the difference. After subtracting, the answer will get that it is called as what? Difference. Understood? First point. The second point, what they say here, we cannot change the order of subtraction. The second one, what it says, we cannot change the order of subtraction. Here in addition, we can change the places, the answer will be same. But here what happens here, you can't change the order of the numbers. Here 5 minus 1, this only will take one example, 5 minus 1. From 5 I can minus 1. Yes or no? I'll get the answer 4. The same way here 5 minus 1 I'll get 4. 1 minus 5 can I do? From 1 can I minus 5? No. So I can't do this one. Understood all of you? See here from 5 I can minus 1. I'll get the answer 4. From 1 can I minus 5? No, I cannot minus this one. Understood? The sentence says we cannot change the order of subtraction. We cannot change the order of subtraction. You have to follow. First you have to write the bigger number. Then you have to write the smaller number. Then easily you can minus. And you'll get the answer. Here you see 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, you will get 1. 2 minus 3 can I do? From 2, can I minus 3? Can I minus? No. So, here the second one tells we cannot change the order of subtraction. We cannot change the number. The places we can't change here. Can we change here? If you change, can you write there numbers here? 2 minus 3. From 2, can I minus 3? No, we cannot change. Understood all of you? The first one is what? The number we get after subtraction is called the difference. After subtracting, the answer we'll get, that it is called as what? Difference. The second point, it is what? We cannot change the order of subtraction. So first we have to write the bigger number, then we have to write the smaller number. We can't write smaller number and then bigger number. We cannot minus that one. The second point tells we cannot change the order of subtraction. Understood all of you? The third point you see, third point, when 0 is subtracted from any number, when 0 is subtracted from any number, the number remains unchanged. So here the third point says when 0 is subtracted from any number, the number remains unchanged. Here they have given one example also. What is that example? Let us see. See here. First one, 7 minus 0 they have given. 7 minus 0 is how much? Any number you take, if you minus with 0, you will get the same answer. 7 only you will get. 100 minus 0. 100 minus 0, 100 only you will get. Understood? 100 only you will get. The numbers will be the same. If you minus with 0, you will get the same answer. You will get the same answer. See here, 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0 is 7 only. 100 minus 0 is 100 only. 100 only. So, the third point says when 0 is subtracted from any number, the number remains unchanged. The number will not change. See here, 20 minus 0, 20 only. Understood? The same number will be repeated as answer. The answer will not change. Understood all of you? The third point, when 0 is subtracted from any number, the number remains unchanged. The number will not change. The next one, the fourth point is what? The fourth point. Understood all of you? Third point. The fourth point, when 1 is subtracted from any number, we get the predecessor of the number. Now, for example, now 10. 10 minus 1. From 10, if you minus 1, how much you'll get? 9. So, this is what the predecessor. When 1 is subtracted from any number, we get the predecessor of the number. For example, 349 minus 1. So, which number you'll get? If you minus 1 with this, you'll get the 348. So, you'll get 348. Understood? 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1, 99. So, predecessor number you will get. Understood? The fourth point you see, when 1 is subtracted from any number, we get the predecessor of the number. For example, any number you take and if you minus with 1, you will get the predecessor number. Understood? The first point is what? The number after subtracting with any numbers, after subtracting, we'll get the answer that it is called as what? Difference. Understood? The first one. The second one, we cannot change the order of subtraction. We cannot change the order of subtraction. The second point. The third point, any number if you subtract with 0, the number will be the same. It will not change. See here, 7 minus 0, 7 only. 20 minus 0, 20 only. 100 minus 0, 100 only. So, the number will not change. The fourth point is what? When 1 is subtracted from any number, we get the predecessor of the number. We'll get the any number if you minus with 1, you will get the predecessor. In addition, you will get the next number. You will get what? In addition, you will get the next number. In this one, what? In subtraction, you will get the predecessor number. Understood all of you this one? Next, we will move on to exercise 1. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. First one. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. First one, 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10. So, how you will do this one? 30 minus 10. So, you can do orally also. If you don't have to do orally, what you can do? 30 minus 10. From 0, if you minus 0, how much? 0 only. From 3, if I minus 1, how much you will get? Answer 2. So, write down 2 here. Answer is 20. Understood? You can do orally also. If you don't have to do orally, you can write and you can minus and do. Understood all of you? Copy down fast. Next, B1, 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10, how much you'll get? From 50, if you minus 10, you'll get 40. Subtraction you have to do. Next, C1, 600 minus 200. 600 minus 200. If you don't have to do 600 minus 200. From 0, if you minus 0, 0. From 0, if you minus 0, 0. From 6, if you minus 2. From 6, cut down 2. 1, 2. How much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, write down answer 400. Understood all of you? If you don't know to do orally, you have to write like this. In your rough notebook, you have to write. Don't write in the textbook. You have to write in the rough notebook and write the answer in the textbook. Understood, all of you? Next, D1, 700 minus 300. 700 minus 300, how much? 400. Copy done fast. Finished. Next, E, 500 minus 400. 500 minus 400. 500 if you minus 400, how much you'll get? 100. EF, 90 minus 30. From 90, if you minus 30, write down 90 minus 30. From 0, if you minus 0, 0 only. From 9, cut down 3. 1, 2, 3. So how much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 60. Copy done fast. Finished. Finished, all of you? Next, remaining, do as homework. You have to do as homework, right? After the class only you can finish. E, F finished, na? G, H, I. These three you can do as homework. Understood, all of you? You have to write G, H, I as homework. You have to do. The remaining you have to copy from the board. Thank you, students.